Okay, good morning. Just about 25 past 7, 35 minutes until the FTSE opens. So, the FTSE has been stuck in its range for the last couple of weeks, moving sideways. It has been best just to trade it as sideways action. And there's no magic wand um, to make the market start having strong trending days again, making 1%, 2% moves. When it's moving like this, it's better to be cautious and only take the best positions available. Now, having said that, if we look at the price action, what we can see is a market making lower highs consistently, which is showing us that price is being squeezed down. Yesterday we had the up day. Today we are having a pre-market down day, and it is sitting right at the lows of yesterday's price action. Now, a breakthrough here would be a negative sign. Strong breaks through here would be a negative sign, sorry, and I would expect the market, to come back down into at least the bottom of the range. We've been stuck in the range. This is the top of the range. This is the bottom of the range. I'd expect it to push back down at least into the bottom area of the range. Pre-market, really, this is where I'm watching today. This is going to be my main zone. We're down here right now. If we can start breaking through here, I'd be very interested in looking for sell positions this morning. Depends how price action reacts down here. If I don't get the signs, I won't take the trade. If we look, the entire trading day yesterday was squeezed into these zones here. This is why it's good to be cautious when the market is slowing down and squeezing like this. You can end up getting chopped out quite a lot. I know a lot of traders, when we have small ranging days like this, they jump in and out of positions and they end up suffering lots of losses. It's always good to be cautious and to protect your account. Yeah, that's what I'm looking at today basically. I'm looking for breaks below this area or how the market reacts down here. This will be the main trading area for me today, as long as we remain down here. If we don't, up above 6170 to 6172, this is a great area also. And up above, this ties in with the prices being squeezed. You can see the slanted line that I put on the daily time frame. 6201.7 to 6198 basically. This is the three main areas for me today that I'm watching. Really, we're looking for price action to start to give us clues of what it wants to do. We've failed multiple times to push higher now, but we've also failed to break lower. We've had a false break here, and then we've rocketed right back up again. So really, it's a case of watching the market, letting the market tell us what it wants to do, and trading what we see, trading the price action. Okay, so I'll come back at 4:30 and I will add to this video. Okay, we're just past 4:30. The FTSE is now closed. First thing we can see is we have had the down day, and also, as I said, as I was expecting, if the market broke the lows here, the 6140 area, I was expecting the market to push down into the 6100 to the 6120 level. It's exactly what we've done. We broke down, tested the area, and then bounced off it once again. I'll go over that when we drop down to the 5-minute time frame. But what we can basically see is the market is still maintaining this sideways range that it has been in for the last couple of weeks. Now, on the 5-minute time frame, what we can also notice is that the market has basically chopped sideways. This is exactly what I was warning about this morning. This is the sort of price action that can get a lot of people into trouble when they're trading, and they can take a lot of losses. When the market is chopping sideways like this, it's always good to be cautious. I was expecting this to happen just because of the price action that we've had and because of the price squeeze that we've had, and it's exactly what we've seen. So we broke through this level in pre-market. We pushed back up, and then at 8 o'clock at the FTSE Open, the market ramped all the way down into the 6120, then reversed and pushed higher. And what I told my subscribers this morning after watching the 8 o'clock open was basically to look for sell positions from this level here, rather than taking buy positions. So hopefully none of you guys took this as a pin bar. It's not a buy signal. I did point out that this would be the best area to look for trades. This is where you should be looking for your sells. Now, the sell positions today, because the market is chopping sideways, they were all very small. Let me just get rid of these, and I'm going to go over a couple of them. Got one here. We've got one here. And then I didn't trade anywhere past that, but we can see we've got another couple of pin bars. There's one there. And that looks like all the good signals. There's one there also, you can see, 215. Very choppy price action today. As I mentioned, this is what I was expecting. This is what I was warning about. I only took a couple of trades today. Let me try and get my results up. £440 on the day gain. They were just very small sell positions. I took a couple of them based off of exactly what I told the subscribers this morning. Sell off of this level here. Look for sells from this level. It's exactly what I did. That's all that I did. And it worked out fairly well. Choppy days like this, quite often it's good just to walk away from the computer. You know, the market is not really doing anything. It's moving in a very small range. Basically, I think it's waiting for some sort of a news release or some sort of catalyst to break out of this range that we are now in. Okay, so I'll leave the address for the training site on the video as always. If you want to find out any details on the training courses, just pop over to that website. It's all there. And if you are learning how to trade, please do subscribe to Decisive Trading. I try and post up at least one training video a week. And I do have some new beginner videos coming very soon.